Today, I'll show you how to create a merge request in GitLab, a crucial step in the collaborative development process. Whether you're working on a small team or contributing to a massive open source project, knowing how to properly create a merge request is an essential skill. It not only facilitates collaboration, but also ensures that your code is reviewed and integrated smoothly into the main code base. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's get your changes ready by pushing your branch to GitLab. This is typically done using your terminal, where you'll want to ensure you've committed your changes locally first. Once your changes are committed, you can push them using the command git push origin your-branch name. Remember to replace your branch name with the actual name of the branch you've been working on. This action will upload your changes to the remote GitLab server, making them available for the next steps. Next, head over to your web browser and open your project page on GitLab. If you're already logged in, you should see your project listed on the dashboard. Click on it to open the project's main page. Now, keep an eye out for a banner at the top of this page. GitLab provides a handy shortcut here, a Create Merge Request button. This button appears once your branch has been pushed successfully. Clicking this button will streamline the process, guiding you directly to the merge request creation page. On this new page, you'll be prompted to select the branches involved in the merge request. Specifically, you need to choose the source and target branches. The source branch is the one you've just pushed, your feature or bug fix branch. The target branch is usually the main or master branch, which is where you want your changes to eventually be merged. Once you've made your selections, click Compare Branches and Continue. This step ensures that you're fully aware of the changes that will be merged, and it's a good opportunity to review the differences between the branches. Now, it's time to fill in the details of your merge request. Start with the title and description fields. The title should succinctly describe what your changes are about. The description is your chance to provide more context, explain why these changes are important, or highlight any particular areas that need careful review. A well-written description can save reviewers a lot of time and help them focus on the most critical aspects of your changes. If your project workflow requires it, you can also select reviewers, assignees, or labels for your merge request. Reviewers are typically team members who will look over your code before it's merged. Assignees are often responsible for managing the merge request process or completing any necessary follow-up actions. Labels can help categorize your merge request, making it easier to track and manage, especially in larger projects. These options can be incredibly helpful in organizing and streamlining the code review process. Finally, once everything is filled out and you're satisfied with the information provided, go ahead and click the Create Merge Request button at the bottom of the page. This action officially submits your merge request. Your team will be notified, and the review process can begin. From here, you might receive feedback or requests for changes, which is all part of ensuring that the code meets the project standards before it's integrated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a merge request in GitLab. Remember, the merge request is a powerful tool for collaboration, allowing multiple developers to work together efficiently and effectively. It's all about communication and quality assurance, ensuring that everyone's contributions are reviewed and merged in a controlled manner. Thanks for following along, and happy coding.